So I'm currently running a sale and I just wanted to show you some of the items that are in my shop. This fossil coral moon in copper. This is a two-stone labradorite. It's a nice bluey green glow on those. I've got this carved labradorite as well. It's quite pretty in the light. Got the labradorite from the last tutorial. I'm sure you've seen that one. The little men's pendant that I did last week. This one is Picasso jasper, labradorite and obsidian. You probably recognise that one from one of my tutorials. This is purple turquoise and copper. Got an amethyst moon as well, two-stone amethyst moon in sterling and fine silver. And I've got this little Ethiopian opal. And I just absolutely love those colours. Look at those lovely colours in sterling and fine silver. It's even more colours if I tip it that way. Got a chevron, huge chevron amethyst. I absolutely love this great big stone. So I am running a sale in my shop at the moment if you want to pop on over and have a look. And this one is, the little stone is a blue London topaz. And the bead is a blue tiger's eye or a hawk's eye in sterling and fine silver. And this one is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right, lepidolite with rubellite and a little amethyst stone in there. Quite sparkly. So thanks for looking. Just thought I'd give you a little look into my shop. And you can pop over there and have a little look further if you want to. There's a lot more there than what I'm just showing you here. So have fun and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.